It's Tuesday the 25th, I'm FX Plu and this is CurrencyTransfer.com's market update. And the headlines today are that the ECB President turns a little hawkish, trade and the Fed keep the dollar supported, and sterling pulls back as RAB says a deal is possible. So the euro's been reactive for several months because the ECB has been very clear over its plans to remove QE and over monetary policy. The bond buying will reduce as of next month and should be wound up completely by the end of the year or early 2019, and rates will remain on hold until next autumn. Or so everyone thought, until Draghi made a speech yesterday where he was significantly more bullish about the Eurozone economy. He expects Eurozone inflation to rise, labelling the inflationary outlook as relatively vigorous. The euro naturally rose on the back of that change of tone, but it may struggle to hold on to gains before the ECB meets next at the back end of October, unless there's further supportive comment. Draghi is due to speak on Thursday, and that speech will now no doubt be eagerly anticipated by the market. Euro-dollar rose yesterday to 118.50, but resistance is around 118.20, and dollar strength as a result of Chinese trade tensions saw it correct to close around 117.50. The market is now expecting about 80% chance that the FOMC will hike rates this week. The dollar index continued its recovery yesterday, reaching 94.35 on the day, helped higher by the increasing trade tensions between the US and China. Both sides are disputing the tariffs levied against each other, but neither side really shows any sign of backing down. In the UK, Dominic Raab, the new Brexit minister, he's kept a far lower profile than his predecessor because his boss, Theresa May, has taken the reins of the Brexit, taking a much more hands-on approach. Yesterday, he cited his optimism, commenting to the press that he feels that there's still a good possibility that a deal will be done. That's, of course, despite the Chequers proposal being largely taken as being dead in the water. Following Friday's fall, yesterday we were back to the status quo of no news being good news for Brexit, and cable crossed back over 131 to reach 131.65 on the day. If you've got any questions, please pop them in the comments below. Otherwise, I'll see you tomorrow.